Okay, the kids are outside playing hockey in the cul-de-sac. I'm leaving the house, I'll be only 5 minutes. See you at the brewery. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom cul-de-sac home is perfect for the family. With big, beautiful windows throughout, the views of the trees and mountains really connect the home to nature. This open concept design is perfect for entertaining, and the bright rental suite makes buying this home a no-brainer. Hey, are you at Twin Sails or Yellow Dog? No, I'm at Parkside Brewery right now. All the breweries are super close. Why don't you come down here? The home is situated so close to many beautiful parks and beaches like Inlet Park and White Pine Beach. Rocky Point is also a 5-minute drive away with many popular breweries. You also have the Port Moody Rec Center nice and close by. And the best part about living close to breweries is... Hey hon, I had a few drinks at the brewery. Can you come pick me up?